Alright. We were at the, what is it? Shoot, I just forgot the name. Something Middleton Co-op? Or at least Middleton Co-op. It's still here! The, Cenex gas station. This one does take card, I think. Alright. Yeah, Middleton. Alright, yeah. Radiantz, vehicle wash, blue dolphin chemicals. So there's your menu. So the prices are right here. 8, 9, 11, 13. They've all been bumped $1 up. Oops, sorry. There we go. So yeah, now for the machine shot. Oh, what a beauty. There we go. So, yeah.
Please add payment for your selection.
I'm gonna try 20 again, but it probably still isn't gonna work. Still worth a try, because sometimes they say they don't accept 20s, yet it'll still work. Nope. Other bay, yeah, has a older razor.
Would you like to have a receipt? No. Please wait while your card is being altered. You have purchased the Works Wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
Still says the Works Wash. I guess that's just the pre-programmed method of the pay station. But all right, here we go. So yeah, 2 coats of the triple foam. She should start from here. And yep, there goes the Middleton. Washworld's only midder curtain product, and their only floor mounted machine. Slap, slap, slap. I've been going through so many touch-free washes, I haven't had to worry about going through soft touch washes and having to fix my mirror. I just can't forget to do that. big machine. It's almost as big as the Odyssey, I think. Maybe bigger. It's a really cool machine, too. I hope this machine is here to stay. This is the only one left now that I know of. Timer's a little bit in the way. Getting out in the bay, so you have to like veer to the left a bit. Oh wow, what a cool system. Too bad there's not many of them. They're really cool. Yep. And then yeah, it's our older Razor in that bay. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you all for watching. That'll be it.